To make Vietnamese yogurt, you're going to need 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of hot water, 2 cups of yogurt, and 1 cup of condensed milk. Using the same can of condensed milk, measure out 1 cup of hot water and pour it into the bowl. Afterwards, do the same with 3 cups of milk. Add in your 2 cups of yogurt. For me, I use pre-made Vietnamese yogurt which I bought at the store, but if you can't find that, then you can also use regular yogurt. Don't forget to sift it so that there aren't any chunks left. Before this step, make sure you boil some water in a large pot. Then you can start pouring yogurt into cups or jars. Make sure the water isn't too hot before placing the cups inside. During the fermentation process, lactose, which is a sugar in milk, is first converted into glucose and galactose. Bacteria in the yogurt called Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus converts the sugars in the milk to lactic acid. The warm temperature thickens the yogurt, which helps it ferment. As the amount of lactic acid increases, the milk proteins separate into clots or lumps and forms yogurt. Make sure you cover the pot with a towel overnight so that it stays warm. In the morning, you should be able to remove the towels and your yogurt will be ready. Refrigerate the yogurt for a few more hours. To show the importance of fermentation, I placed a cup of yogurt inside the fridge without putting it in hot water. As you can see, it did not turn out like the others.